Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here, and as can you see, now I can successfully unlock the device with my face. And now I'll make a couple of tries just to unlock the device with my face ID, and we'll see how far this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works really fast, and I just when I set up my face here, I just do this without the glasses, but now I'll try to unlock the device with my glasses, so we'll see if the device recognizes my face. Yes, can you see, I just successfully can unlock the device also with the glasses. So that's it. As can you see, the face unlock method works really fast here. And if you, for example, don't like some unlock methods like the bank passcodes, PIN codes, you can try the face unlock, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pattern on PIN code or passcode on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.